Hello children, how are you all? Yes, last class we have completed our poem and a lesson, that is Bravery of Mother Goat. Right, Nana? So we have completed the lesson, grammar topics and all these things from that lesson, right? Now, one more very interesting lesson. So all are adventurous only, but here, suppose if anyone help us, then how in return something we should do help to them, na? Right? So what is this? What we can learn from this lesson? See this. That is a lesson name is the 5 elves. What are these elves? Do you know what is this elves? No. These elves are looking like human beings, but they have supernatural powers. They have supernatural powers. That is some magical powers they have. Some magical powers. Cinderella, your characters you have, na? Yes, like that they have some magical powers like Chota Beam. Right? They have magical powers. So like that here also the 5 elves. Those are how many here? 5. So elves means a type of human shaped supernatural being. So those we call it elves. So 5 members are here. What did they do? What happened? Then we can see in this lesson. Okay, now let's see this one. Do you believe in miracles? Some miracle has happened. We feel about it. Do you believe in that? In our life, sometimes it happens. Do you believe in that? Yes, of course, sometimes we must. Yes, what kind of miracles you want to happen in your life? Yes, some miracle should happen in my life. Then I want to be like this. Otherwise, I can't. Some miracle happens, then only I can be. Otherwise, can I? No. Now, suppose, now for this age, can I become to your age? No. So, if any miracle happen, yes, I can, right? So, I am again to become 8 years old means some miracle should happen in my life, right? I am to become your age in my life means some miracle should happen. Like this, any expectations you have to happen in your life, this kind of miracles. Yes, so we should help the poor and needy people, but very important, always. But nowadays we cannot find who are the poor and needy people also, right? But whenever we see poor and needy people, maximum whatever we have in that, at least somewhat we must help them. Okay, now this blessing, their blessings are very valuable for us. Yes, they know the value of the hard work. So if we help them, definitely they bless us. Those blessings are very helpful to us, valuable for us. That's why always help the poor and needy people. Not greedy, needy people. Okay, Nana. So what is this here? Read the story of shoemaker whose life was changed because of the miracle done by the elves to help him. So here that shoemaker. So the person's life has changed with the miracle. Who did that miracle? These 5 elves. So what did they do? And in return what he had done for them, that we can see in this lesson. So all of you start the lesson. So open the textbook. So then let's start the lesson. So we have lesson, all of you open it and let's start it. So series 1. Once there was a shoemaker called Rex. What is the name of the shoemaker? Rex. So once there was a shoemaker called Rex. So who is Rex? Shoemaker. What is his name? Rex. He lived with his wife Mary. So what is his wife name? Mary. His name is Rex and his wife name is Mary. So what does he do? He is a shoemaker. Right, Nana? And Mary is used to help him in different things. So Mary also helps him in different things. At night, Rex and Mary were talking to each other. So wife and husband, night time they were discussing something about their problems. So they were talking to each other. What they were talking? So that is a scene 1. So both the dialogues, no? That's why scene 1. So here Rex workshop. Where are they talking? That is at the workshop. Rex and his wife are seated near the tools. So mending the shoes. No? So there whatever to prepare the shoes, whatever the tools they have, both of them seated in their chairs. And then Rex said, "Here is my last piece of leather and I have no money to buy more leather." So what condition there? They are mending the shoes, but to prepare the shoes means leather is required. But this leather only. To buy new leather, no money with me. What can I do? So here is my last piece of leather and I have no money to buy leather. So we will have to go hungry now, I fear. I'm afraid. No money with us. If we have money, then we can buy the leather and with that we can mend the shoes and we can sell it and with that some money we get it. But now no money to buy the leather also. Then how can we get the food? Never at all. So I'm afraid. Now onwards we should be hungry now only. So we can't. That Rex said. Who said? Rex. So then what Mary said? God will help us as always. Don't worry, dear. So she gives very moral support. So God will help us. So as always, so for every problem we have solution. So God is always with us. Definitely He helps us. So that's why don't worry, my dear. Definitely God will help us. That she said that night. They went on sleep. And the next morning, so scene 2, that is at night time in the scene 1, they are with the tools, shoes tools. Now, the next morning, that is morning when they woke up. So Rex wakes up the next morning with a wonderful surprise. So Rex got up. That night they both of them talked to each other and they slept. Next day morning when the Rex woke up, he saw a surprise, wonderful surprise to him. What was it? So Rex immediately called, "Mary, Mary, look at this." So Mary, Mary, look at this. A new pair of shoes, shining bright. Mary, Mary, come here. Look at this, a new pair of shoes here. Looking very bright, shining very bright. That he shouted. So he called her his wife. Mary, yes, they are very beautiful. I know everything would be all right. So I knew everything would be all right. I told you na. So God definitely will help us. So now beautiful shoes we got it. So Rex, I'll sell this pair of shoes in the market. I'm sure I will get good money in return. Yes, God only helped us. So I'll sell these beautiful shoes in the market. Then we get the money. So with that we can buy the leather and we can get the food also. Like that he said. So we get good money only in return. So I'll buy that. I'll sell that one. That Rex said. Then Rex gets the price for the shoes and buys more leather with the money. Yes. Did he spend that money on luxury? No. Simply he bought the leather and with that again he can make some more shoes and he can sell them and he will get money. So that he depended. That's why he sold that one and he got good amount only. With that he bought leather. He cuts the leather for shoes every night and found them stitched and ready in the morning. So that leather, whatever he brought, he bought from the market, that he brought it to his house. So night time he cut that leather to make the shoes. And next day morning when he got up, that shoes were stitched. So just he cut out the leather, but by next day morning those were stitched. He was surprised for that. So, and found them stitched and ready in the morning. So like that it was going on. So then A few days later, so like that, every day he's going and selling those shoes and getting the leather, and night time he cut the leather. By next day morning, those became beautiful shoes stitched. So then he is selling again. Like that it happened. So few days continued like that. And few days later, what happened? Rex said, now we are very much comfortable. Now we are very much comfortable. What is the meaning of comfortable? Comfortable means, yes, so feeling free from stress and that is worry. Comfortable means feeling free from stress and worry. Stress and worry. So no worries, no stress at all. Very comfortable. So that we are now very comfortable now. So that he said, we have enough money to feed ourselves. So all these days, just by getting the leather, those people stitched it. Someone stitched. The miracle is happened. Stitched, you know. So our clothes also stitched. Like the shoes also they stitched. Something miracle happened. Night time just he cut and kept there. By next day morning, automatically stitched. So who did that one? No one knows. But he sold that one and again he got beautifully they stitched. So he got good price also for that. So like that, now he was leading very comfortable life. We have enough money to feed ourselves. So now no need to be hungry. So we very good amount of food also we have. That he said. Mary said, we should say thanks to those friends who helped us in need. Yes. Yes, we are very comfortable now, but we must say thanks to those people who helped us. Night time someone is coming and stitching our shoes. So who helped us in our problems? We must say thanks to them. Let us hide behind the door tonight and find out who our friends are. So they are helping us means definitely those are friends too only. Friends only. So today night we can hide ourselves behind the door, and then who are coming and who are helping us, we should find those friends. Okay, shall we do that? That Mary requested. So then Rex accepted that, and both Rex and Mary hide behind the door. Why? To find out who were helping the helps to them, friends to them, right? So that's why they hide themselves behind the door. Next, what happened? That night, 5 elves enter. That night, 5 elves. Elves means human being shaped by supernatural being. So they enter. They are carrying tiny cobbler stools in their hands. So tiny cobbler stools, small, that is who are mending the shoes. That person has a cobbler. He has that tools to stitch that one. So that they have in their hands. They dance and sing and then sit and start their work. So when they came, they dance and sit and stand. So they were singing and like that. They enjoyed and they started the work. So what did they say? We are the 5 busy elves. We like to help the needy. We like to feed every poor body except the ones who are greedy. So what were they discussing? Yes, we are the 5 elves, 5 busy elves. So yes, 5 busy, 5 very busy. How? They are doing the help to the others, right? So we like to help the needy. To whom they like to help? Needy people. So we like to feed every poor body. So who are very poor, for all of them we should help. That they said. And except the ones who are greedy. But the people we are helping means if they become greedy, no, we can't help. That they told. So like that they sang a song and they finished the stitching of shoes and go away. So by singing the songs like this, they stitched the shoes and they went off. So by singing they enjoy and they stitched the shoes. So that they did it. And then what happened? So Rex and his wife Mary enter. Next day, both of them they entered. How kind the people, little people are. I will make clothes for them just to say thank you. So Mary said, Mary, cloth stitching she can do. He is making the shoes, mending the shoes, but she is the cloth stitching she knows. That's why she said, how kind these people are, how great these people are, and I'll make clothes for them. So very tiny people, so small size people. So then what can we do for them? Yes, they know how to stitch the shoes, mend the shoes. That's why they can. But for them clothes, no. That's why I will stitch the clothes for them in return to say thank you to them. So what can we do? They helped us. So some help, at least we should say thank you. So how can we say, now we are comfortable, some amount is there. So then we can give some gift to them. What is that gift? By stitching the cloths, dress to them. So that she decided. And Rex said, yes, you are right. I'll provide you fabric for the cloths. So don't worry, I will go and bring the fabric for the cloths and you stitch the cloths for them, and then we can give in return by saying thanks. That he said. And then the next night, when the elves reached the house, they were amazed to find 5 sets of beautiful cloths in place of the leather. So then yes, they can lead their life properly. That's why Rex has given. Daily night he cut the leather and he sleeps. By next morning, those leather cuts become shoes, beautiful shoes. Now instead of leather, they get beautiful cloths. So they put on the clothes happily and danced all night. Rex and his wife never forgot the kind elves. So kind elves. So here that night on the cloths, by taking that, they were very excited and they enjoyed a lot by dancing and singing. Who are those? 5 elves. Why? Because they got the beautiful cloths. And then next they were very happy, and Rex and Mary also did not forget the help they got from the elves. Right? So really, if we are doing something, definitely we get the help from the God in any way. Okay, children. So we should do our work properly first. Okay, Nana. So here these people never forget them, and those people also, these 5 elves also very happy for getting the cloths in that way. Okay, children. So this is the lesson. We have the 5 elves. So how they came and helped the poor and needy people, and in return this Rex and Mary also, how they helped, how they stitched the clothes for them, for the saying thanks only to them. Okay, children. So this is the lesson. We have the 5 elves. All of you read the lesson once again, and in the next class we can see the grammar topics. Okay, children.